Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we are gonna talk about Good Girls Guide to Murder book and TV adaptation. बहुत दिन हो गए हैं उसको आके, तो मे बी probably बहुत सारे लोगों ने देख लिया होगा अभी तक. I read the books 2 years ago, almost 2 years ago, and मैंने directly TV adaptation देखा. मैंने वापस reread नहीं किया books को because I didn't want to like have a fresh memory of the books, because if the book is fresh in your mind, then I keep constantly comparing it with the adaptation, and then I don't enjoy the adaptation. So I try to not like read and watch back to back, like read the book and watch the adaptation back to back. So that's why I just watched it directly, and it was, I mean, of course मुझे पता था main points, main plot twists सब याद थे, but details याद नहीं थे, and that's why I thought कि it was a good adaptation because most of it is similar. And then I came across this article and it was, oh god, it struck a nerve, and that's when I decided कि मुझे अब book पढ़नी है और check करना है कि exactly क्या हुआ था क्या नहीं हुआ था. And that's how I thought of making this video, because I wanted to discuss the differences and the similarities between the book and the TV show with y'all. So if you haven't read all the 3 books and watched the TV show, then don't continue watching this video, because I'm gonna discuss everything. Like, I'm gonna give you all the spoilers if you don't know. I mean, I want to discuss the book, like what is happening in the book. So it would be better if you read the books first and then come and watch this video. Save it for later, but definitely watch it after reading the books and read the books. I know the series is absolutely hyped and it's totally worth the hype. Of course थोड़ा सा expectations low रख के जाना उसमें, but read the books. With saying all that, let's start with the actual review. So honestly जब मैंने first time TV show देखा था, I thought it was a good TV show except couple of characters like Stanley Forbes. Pip didn't figure out certain clues. She was spoon fed those clues. And I was okay with them because कैसे है कि books में first POV होता है, we are in the characters' minds, so it's easy for us to know what they are thinking. But usually TV shows या फिर adaptations में what they do is they put it in a way कि वो conversation में आए, because हम we are not in the characters' mind, we are just watching the characters. But then I read this article which is on my phone. I'm gonna go and read it. Naomi, Sal's best friends, and Max Hastings have plenty of secrets to hide, which Pippa uncovers not by logic but by chance. Clues fall into her lap, and her subjects are loose tongued around her because nobody is going to bother with a schoolgirl doing her project. However, as she stumbles upon more than one dark secret, she starts receiving anonymous threats asking her to stop digging. So, as teens do, she does the opposite and foolishly puts herself and her loved ones in harm's way. She plays stupid games and wins stupid prizes, but comes out with flying colors as she uncovers secrets and even manages to learn a thing or two about herself. If you have read the books, you know that's not Pippa. And that this article, this section just made me so angry that that's not Pippa. And this is the thing, either readers know कि ये कैरेक्टर कैसा है, बट जो लोगों ने बुक्स नहीं पढ़े हैं और डायरेक्टली शो देखा है, उनको तो ऐसा ही लगेगा कि शी इज जस्ट अ नॉर्मल टीनेजर हु इज स्लूथिंग. So that's why I decided to go back in. I read the book again, which I don't do, I'd never reread, but this time I reread the book and decided कि मुझे देखना है. And then I again watched the show certain parts and to check if the message is sent in the proper way. You know what I mean? So that's what I did. I spent my time on it, and here are my thoughts. So basically, they have kept, of course, most of it is same. Like, not most of it. So the mystery is same. Like, for example, even the setting is same. Village, the town is same. Most of the characters are same. एक आध दूसरा फ्रेंड ग्रुप में से कैरेक्टर उन्होंने निकाल दिया है. मेक सेंस बिकॉज सबके लिए तो कुछ इतना काम था ही नहीं उसमें. इवन द एंडी बेल केस इज सेम. The plot twists, the final reveals are same, of course, we all know that. But I think they have tried to make it like a normal, usual teenage murder mystery. So they have viewers from everywhere and not everybody has read the books. I can understand that, but the whole point of adapting a book is because the book is good, right? So you try to show us that. Like, Pippa is smart. She is not just another teenager. She is smart. She is thorough with her research in the books. She does not take risks that much in the beginning, of course. Like, for example, she interviewed everybody. Like, she does proper interviews. She documents those interviews, and she takes फॉलो अप्स कि अगर उसको कुछ बाद में कोई और इन्फॉर्मेशन मिली तो वो वापस जाके पूछेगी, तो फिर कॉल करेगी. बट ये हमें नहीं देखने को मिलता है. इट्स लाइक अच्छा वो किसी को मिलने गई, शी हैड अ रैंडम कॉन्वर्सेशन विद दैट पर्सन, शी रिकॉर्डेड इट एंड शी कम्स बैक होम. और कुछ नहीं दिखता हमें. या फिर मैक्स व्हाट वी सी इज के टीवी शो में that she's just scrolling and stalking people on social media, and she's trying to uncover things from there. But again, the whole point of her going through people's social media was to get that Max Hastings का secret personal account and figuring out the main clue, जो होता ही नहीं है. Like, फिर क्या point? I mean, the whole point was pointless. कि वो पॉइंट ही नलीफाई हो गया, कि वो चीज़ ही नहीं हुई, बिकॉज उसको नेओमी आके बताती है ये सब कुछ. सो आई मीन जो वो कर सकते थे, आई मीन दे कुड हैव शोड अस के हाँ पिप ने खुद ही डिस्कवर कर लिया, वो नहीं दिखाया. देन इन टीवी शो रवि catfishes Andy Bell's friends to uncover their secrets, बट बुक में वो पिप ही करती है. Actually, the problem is, I mean, I can understand that they wanted to show that Ravi had his contribution, but they could have shown it in a better way, just like in the books, where we get to know that Ravi tried to solve the murder, but nobody helps him because he is the murderer's brother. But ये नहीं दिखाते हैं. Because of such things, it looks like the characters are two-dimensional. They have kept the main focus on Max Hastings, Naomi. Yeah, she even doubts Sal, which happens in book as well, but not to the point. Also, the image, the screenshot from the social media, whatever. So, वो भी है, वो भी उसको मिलता है, तो she does not go to the conclusion that yes, Sal was innocent. She goes through the same path where Sal would have walked on that day of the murder, and she confirms कि हाँ उसके पास टाइम नहीं था to actually go and kill and dispose the body. That is how thorough Pip is. But ये हमें टीवी शो में नहीं दिखता है. She just checks कि अच्छा ये image है, then goes and confronts like a dumb. She is not that dumb. She won't go and confront people like that. I mean, she does that in the end, but सबके साथ नहीं जाके ये करती है वो. I mean, I can understand that they changed a few things, but what was the point of changing Pippa's nickname from Pipsicle or Pickle to Chicken? I mean, why change it to Chicken? There was this another thing which is very important, that her family, her friends were supportive of her, of doing this case. Like, her mom never said that don't talk to the families of the people involved in the case, but her teacher asks her to do that. So yes, of course her mother was very supportive and she was very nice to her. Like, it wasn't like Pip was going against her family or her friend, because even Kara was very supportive of her. She never said that don't interview Naomi, but she said just go easy on her. तो ये सारे जो points है वो बहुत important है. I mean, in TV she doubts her father, that her father lied for something, and she doubts him. I heard a friend of mine saying that she thought her dad was a secret older guy, but I don't think that was the case. मुझे first time देखते टाइम भी ऐसा नहीं लगा, second time भी नहीं लगा, because I thought the whole scene was added because this was the moral. I mean, I wrote it down. So it's like, if you choose to believe someone when all the evidence points against them, then you are just an idiot. So that's what she thinks के Sal के against है सारा evidence, but she still thinks that Sal is innocent, and that's why this was to prove it कि अच्छा हाँ ये उसके real life में भी हो रहा है, तो maybe she's wrong, thinking that Sal is innocent. But again, that was not necessary. That whole her doubting her dad was absolutely not necessary. I mean, why would you do that? Her parents were so sweet. तो ये ऐड करने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं थी. Again, ये हुआ उसका family, her family's angle. But when it comes to Andy Bell's case, I think they could have done more. They could have added all the clues or most of it. I mean, they just added the main clues and main things. But I mean, we wanted to see the Pip who was ready to take risks when it comes to the case, but not when it comes to her family. We don't see her staking out for the drug dealer. I mean, that was a risk which she took on her own. She was there, अकेले. We don't see that. We just see कि अच्छा उसको एक जगह पे मिल गई information in the calamity party, and फिर वहाँ से उसको directly बाजू के ही रूम में था वो drug dealer. फिर वो क्यों आया था अगर ये बंदा था? It didn't make any sense. Why do you want to cut down the scenes जबकि आपके पास टाइम है? अगर ये मूवी होता ना adaptation तो भी मैं समझ सकती थी. But it was a TV show, right? You could have added couple of more episodes. But yeah, again, that was their lookout. Also, there was no need for a clue to be found for the calamity party. क्या पॉइंट था उसका? मतलब ये अलग से सीक्रेट्स ऐड करने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं थी. और वो खुद सॉल्व भी नहीं करती है, वो तो उसके टीचर उसको हेल्प करते हैं. मतलब हमें वो क्या सॉल्व कर रही है ये हार्डली कुछ देखने को मिला. So again, that was not my favorite part. Even in the party, in the books, she rescues herself. She does not need any help. She can save herself. She can defend herself, which we don't see in the show. In the show, she feels like a normal teenager. In the books, she feels like a very put together, very well behaved, very nice, good girl who can do things on her own. Some of the clues shown in the TV show were very similar to the books, like Pippa breaking into the house of Andy Bell. So that was very similar. But she was smart. I mean, she is so smart that of course she didn't go and leave her fingerprints there. She was wearing some gloves. I mean, even though they were just gardening gloves or oven mitts, but she was wearing gloves. She is not dumb. So that is something I wanted to see on the screen. So that was missing in the show. Apart from that, I think most of it is similar. We see Ravi and Pip and them hanging out, them figuring out Sal's murder, and all those things. Also, one of the biggest things which I loved in the books was everything is there. All the clues are there. Nothing is missing. You can see everything there. The author, Holly Jackson, is so smart that she will give you everything. You have to figure it out. If you read the books carefully, you can like pinpoint कि ये हो सकता है, ये हो सकता है, ये भी हो सकता है. You can tell everything. उसमें से वो choose करती है कि उसको क्या final दिखाना है. So that is one of my favorite parts of her books. And of course, for the TV show, they have tried to keep it like a suspense. Makes sense for the TV show, but not when it comes to the whole mystery. Because like the whole conversation with Becca Bell, it was mysterious. और अदर एक्चुअली जब मैंने वो फर्स्ट टाइम देखा था वो कॉन्वर्सेशन, मुझे समझा भी नहीं. इवन जब मैंने वो फर्स्ट टाइम जब शो पूरा कम्प्लीटली देखा, मुझे समझा ही नहीं कि हाउ द टीवी पिप रीच टू द पॉइंट कि उसने फिगर आउट कर लिया कि वो बेका बेल है. बिकॉज उसमें टीवी शो में ऐसा कुछ है ही नहीं जिससे वो फिगर आउट कर सके कि इट वॉज बेका, एक्सेप्ट फॉर द फैक्ट दैट शी वॉज द एंडी बेल वॉज सीन ऑन द कैमरा, लाइक सीसीटीवी फुटेज कि वो कार चला रही थी. दैट वॉज द लास्ट फुटेज. सो ये छोड़ के बाकी तो कुछ है ही नहीं उसमें जिससे वो फिगर आउट कर सके. सो दैट वॉज वन थिंग विच आई डेंट लाइक. एटलीस्ट कुछ सेंस बने. और इसलिए ना मैंने जाके उनका कॉन्वर्सेशन वापस सुना भी, वो वाई वाला कॉन्वर्सेशन. और उसमें कुछ नहीं है. गो वॉच दैट सिंगल क्लिप. अगर आपको कुछ, even though you know what is the mystery, if you can figure out if there was any other clue given in that one single conversation, just let me know. Also, Pip was never spoon-fed anything. She figured out everything on her own. she literally talked to the missing bureau person. She learned the whole process of it from the missing bureau person. She knew that she was biased, so she interviewed Stanley Forbes, who was writing stuff against Sal in his newspaper articles. So that was something she did. She wrote down everything. She had her research in her laptop. टीवी शो में हम देखते हैं कि वो सिर्फ वो मर्डर बोर्ड बना देती है एंड शी इज स्लूदिंग ऑन हर फोन. अरे द होल पॉइंट वाज ऑफ द मर्डर बोर्ड और इवन दिस बुक, इसके यहाँ पे रेड स्ट्रिंग्स है, वो तो वो यूज भी नहीं करती उस मर्डर बोर्ड पे. आई मीन जो मेन इसेंशियल पॉइंट है वो तो यूज करो. ठीक है, बट अगेन आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड शी डज नॉट नेल डाउन एनीथिंग और सो. अब ठीक है, चलो वो भी मैं छोड़ दूंगी कि आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड. बट नेओमी ने उसको क्लू बताया. देन Dan De Silva, the officer, showed a clip of Sal to Pippa in the show. That does not happen. She goes and gets the transcripts from the police department and figures out everything on her own. That was one of the biggest thing. Also, she was blackmailed. It's shown in the show that she was blackmailed, which is same. Even the camping scene was same. But they have tried to give it a very creepy, ghostly vibe to the town and to everything, to the whole mystery. I mean, it was creepy in a way that the dark secrets were creepy, not in a ghostly, supernatural way. That के वो जो it starts spinning, which didn't make any sense. Like ये वाला element add करने की क्या जरूरत थी, except for the fact that they wanted to add a creepy vibe to it. So, anonymous threats and ये सब दिखाया था. That was similar, but the Barney scene should have been better, like the whole kidnap of Barney. In the books, she was asked to destroy her laptop and research, which we don't see in the TV show because वो research ही नहीं करती है, वो type ही नहीं करती कुछ भी. So of course we don't see that, but it was necessary because it made sense कि उसका laptop जब destroy किया उसने, she had a backup because she is Pip. Of course she had a backup. But apart from that, she also tries to stop the investigation because she wants to save her family. She wants her family, Ravi, to be safe because she has already lost her dog. She doesn't want to do anything of that sorts anymore. So ये important है because she is not reckless, but we don't see that. In books, Pip is never reckless. I mean, she is impulsive sometimes, but not reckless to the point where she would record herself and make the video public, which is so dumb. Why would she do that? That was one of the things which I hated in the TV show. Like, why? That's not Pip. That's so not Pip. I didn't like that part. I mean, उसने पहले वो वीडियो डाला, फिर उस पर अपॉलॉजी भी डाली. Why would she encourage somebody to come to her house and hurt herself or her family? And उसके मॉम ने वो वाला वीडियो नहीं देखा, उस पर कुछ नहीं बोला. It does not make any sense. So that was something which I didn't like. Also, there were multiple suspects in the book, so which kept the readers hooked and engaged, and we had to like think कि ये है या फिर वो है, क्या चल रहा है, कि कौन होगा finally suspect or the criminal. In the TV show, it wasn't like that. There were only couple of people who were suspected. So that was something which could have been better. I think this is how they are thinking when it comes to the show. कि उन्होंने जेसन बेल पे क्वेश्चन नहीं किया because they want his mystery to get solved in the maybe probably third season. कि उसको suspect की तरह नहीं treat किया गया in the season 1, which should have been the case because we all suspected him in the season 1. That's why it was kind of like अच्छा ये हो सकता है या नहीं हो सकता है in the season, I mean in the book 3. So that should have been actually there. Also Stanley Forbes was there present in book 1. So it made sense for whatever happened in book 2. अब जब लोग देखेंगे ये शो सीजन 2 देखेंगे, उनको डायरेक्टली एक स्टैनली फोर्ब्स करके एक नया सा कैरेक्टर मिलेगा, यहाँ पे एक दूसरा एक कैरेक्टर मिलेगा नया. सो ऑफ कोर्स दे आर गोना थिंक कि इन दोनों का ही कुछ तो सीन है. बुक्स में हमें पता ही नहीं था ना कि स्टैनली फोर्ब्स पे भी कुछ जा सकता है या फिर कुछ हो सकता है. बट टीवी शो में दे आर पीपल आर गोना बी लाइक अच्छा दिस इज तो सो इजी, ये लोगों को ये बुक्स क्यों इतने पसंद आ गए, बिकॉज इट वाजंट लाइक दैट इन द बुक्स. That's the whole point. आई विश कि उन्होंने स्टैनली फोप्स को इसी सीजन में इंट्रोड्यूस किया होता. इट वुड हैव मेड सो मच सेंस. ऑल्सो द फैक्ट दैट दे डोंट शो एंडी बेल्स life, because it wasn't just that Pippa was solving the murder. She learned about Andy Bell so much. Andy Bell is a three-dimensional character. She has so many layers, she has so many secrets, which made her mistakes kind of justifiable. It was not just a baseless character, you know, कि हाँ ये तो beauty pretty सी लड़की थी जो ये सब she made these mistakes and then she disappeared. It wasn't like that. There were things like her family, her issues. That was the whole point of her character's journey and the background. Okay, her dad was emotionally abusive. She wanted to get away from him. Her sister was, again, they both turned out to be the way they were, was because of Jason Bell, which we don't see in the season 1. फिर समझता नहीं है ना कि वो बेका बेल ने क्यों किया. तो it was literally turned into a basic teenage drama where the parties and things happening in the parties were blamed and not what were happening in their lives. That was something that could have given it a depth, but nahi di gayi wo. It was kept light because again it was for the TV show people. Honestly, I'm a reader. We all love books, and of course, we want to see the books exactly turned into movie adaptations, TV adaptations. But it does not happen that way. I know that. But what I wanted was to see the character and the essence of the characters like that. चेंज करो अगर आपको थोड़े बहुत सीन्स चेंज करने हैं. आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड, स्पेशली सी इफ इट्स अ रोम कॉम, I can understand you're changing the scenes or you're changing things, but when it comes to a murder mystery, it has to be in a certain way to give justice to the books, you know, because the murder mystery in the book itself is so good that you don't have to change anything. You can just pick everything और पूरा का पूरा उठा के दिखा दो हमें डायरेक्टली चलेगा, because we just want the visual representation and nothing else at this point, because the books are really good and it was possible because it was अ टीवी शो. तो 6 एपिसोड्स क्यों थे, बनाते और 2, ऐड करते थोड़ी और चीज़ें, ऐड करते स्टैनली फोप्स को या फिर और 2-4 कैरेक्टर्स को, या फिर दिखाते एंडी बेल की लाइफ. नहीं दिखाई गई. आई एम स्टिल हैप्पी विद द फैक्ट दैट दे हैव showed Elliot Ward's entire reveal the same way as of the books, but Becca Bell didn't make any sense. Pip figures out where Andy Bell was on her own, but TV show में she goes with Becca, like that is again so ridiculous. कोई नहीं जाएगा अब except TV show के teens, बाकी कोई नहीं जा सकता. So these are some of the things which I wish कि वो TV show में होते, so that सारे लोगों को पता चलता कि how good this whole mystery and the whole story was. They have done justice to it. I'm not saying that it's not good. It's good, but again it is shown as your normal teenage story, which could have been avoided, because the books are not famous because it's just normal teenage story, right? It's famous because we love Pip, we love her detective skills, we just see a sleuthing teenager in the TV show. At least they haven't changed the mystery part, which is good. I mean, at least हमें वो तो अच्छे से देखने मिला. But again, I still have hopes that they do justice to book 2 and especially book 3. It's so important to see what she does and why she does it, because अगर लोगों ने Pip के actions को hate किया है in book 3 के adaptation, I'm gonna lose it. So basically, yes, I think it was a good adaptation compared to other adaptations, but I was expecting a teeny tiny bit more. That's it. So those are my thoughts. Let me know what you think about the books and the TV series in the comments. I would like to have a proper conversation with you all in the comments. So yes, I'm looking forward to the comments. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching. Bye.